Add it again into the flour. Remember now, guys, in the flour I've added some dried powdered seasoning, different powdered seasoning. I will try and put the description in the description. I'll try and put the ingredients in the description bar below. So here I am flouring the chicken, making sure that all parts of the chicken are getting flour. My pan almost fell from the cooker. Look how close it is to the edge. God, that almost dropped off. I didn't even see it. Anyway, I've just placed the third piece of chicken into the fryer. And remember earlier I told you I had this on high because I wanted the oil to be extremely hot. Now after I've added the chicken to the pot, I reduce the heat because I don't want the outside of the chicken